your desktop will look like this.
Subscribe to PC Tutorials for more cool themes.
So firstly, we will download all the required files, so you have to head to the description below and navigate to the first link. Now download this wallpaper from here. Navigate to the second link and download the rainmeter from here. Now, go to the third link and download the WinStep Nexus dock from this website. Navigate towards the fourth link and download Windows 11 theme drive file. Now, navigate to the last link and download this Nenelux skin. After downloading all these files, you have to navigate to the Downloads folder. Write on your wallpaper and set this as your desktop background. Now we have to extract both of the files presented here, so extract all of them one by one. Now install the rainmeter as shown. Now this rainmeter has some default skins, so you have to unload all of them. Right-click on the desktop and hide all the icons from your desktop. Again, navigate to your Downloads folder. Now, install this rainmeter skin. Now open the Nexus dock. Now install the Nexus dock as shown. Click on Nexus, now go to Advanced, then Restore. Now browse to the Downloads folder. Open the Windows 11 theme folder, now open Dock Files, then select this WS backup file and click on Apply. Now we have the layout of the dock and we will put the icons in it, so right-click on the icon, go to Properties, then Change Icon, and now browse to Download folder. Windows 11 Theme, Dock Files, Dock Icons, now select the icon from here. I will change all the icons. Now I have changed all the icons, so it's looking pretty good. Again, navigate toward the Downloads folder and open the Windows 11 theme folder. Now you have to copy both of these files. Go to the Docknets, then Rainmeter, Skins folder, and then paste it here. Now go to the tray icons and open the rainmeter from here. Make sure to refresh it. Now load all the skins shown in video. Set these skins in the middle as shown. have uploaded a variety of desktop themes on PC tutorials. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.